Ikole-Oye Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I want to lend my voice in support of the mover of this bill for a good work that really be done. I sincerely believe that if this bill finally passed, that the coming together of many of these farmers, we give them a voice so that it will even help the government to take note of their need. No matter whatever motion or bill that we move there, if there is no coming together in an association form like this concerning you of agricultural development, there is no way the implementation will be easy. For example, IFET in all our federal constituency that have been represented there, federal government should be able to earmark enough farm settlements with about 50,000 square kilometers with support of irrigation for the purpose of farming, so that when these people gather together, they can subdivide the plots for them. It will help them in terms of access to facilities, credit support, inputs, chemicals, and even tractors for the purpose of mechanized farming. Because oftentimes when we speak about this, we discover that to open up land for such mechanized farming is difficult. But when we have a group of people coming together like this, it's going to be very easy. In addition to that, it will be an avenue for easy exchange of technological development, knowledge, innovation, as well as processing and marketing different improved methodologies. In view of this, Mr. Speaker, I want to plead with the honorable colleagues that we give our maximum support to this bill for the purpose of the sustenance of Nigerians by providing meal and also as alternative means to our economic stability. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity.